In today's video, you will learn how to install and use LUTs in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, we must go to the Color module. In the upper left part, we will find a tab called LUT. If we click, it will open the LUTs menu. Here we can find all the LUTs installed in DaVinci Resolve. If you have not installed any LUT, only the ones that are installed by default in DaVinci Resolve will appear. Here we can find the LUTs for all Blackmagic cameras. This is very good, but how can we install new LUTs and use them in DaVinci Resolve? Doing this is very simple. You must go to the right corner at the bottom and click on the Project Settings icon. In Project Settings, you must go to the menu Color Management. Once inside, look for the section Lookup Tables and select the option Open LUT Folder. By clicking, it will open the location of the folder where all DaVinci Resolve LUTs are stored. Now, we only have the default DaVinci Resolve LUTs. We're going to add new LUTs. Create a new folder and write the name you want. I'm going to call it Super LUTs. Once the folder is created, it's very simple. Search for the LUTs you want to install. We select the LUTs and copy. Now I go to the folder that I have previously created called Super LUTs, and inside we paste the LUTs. You can create as many folders as you want and organize all the LUTs. Perfect. The last step is to go back to the Lookup Tables section and click Update Lists. Now DaVinci Resolve will update the lists of LUTs and detect that there are new LUTs installed. Great. You can now close this window. If we now go to the LUTs menu, we will see that the folders that we have created, Super LUTs, has appeared. And inside, you will have all the LUTs that you have copied. Using a LUT is very simple. Just left-click on the LUT you want and drag it over a node. You already have the LUT applied to your video. As always, here I leave you with the free course so you can learn a lot about DaVinci Resolve. That's all for today. See you in the next video.